Good morning, students. Yesterday we started objective of differential equations, right? In that we learned about order and degree of a differential equation, and we solved two questions also, right? So from that material we solved two questions. It is third question. Okay. So we come to the question number 3. What is given here? The order of the differential equation. The order of the differential equation of all parabolas whose lattice rectum is 4a. Lattice rectum is what is given? 4a, axis parallel to x-axis. Axis parallel to x-axis is. Here also what is asking here? The order of differential equation. Order of differential equation of all parabolas is asking. Okay, so which type of parabola is given here? Understand carefully. Here, what we have to form here? We have to form equation of parabola. Then only you can recognize that what is the order. How could you recognize the order? Order is depending upon number of arbitrary constants on that equation or not. Equation in the sense of solution. Yes or no? Now you understand carefully what is given here. The order of a differential equation is asking order of some differential equation. That differential equation, how it is we are getting here? The differential equation of all parabolas. All parabolas whose lattice rectum is 4a. That means the parabola lattice rectum is 4a. Axis parallel to x-axis. Axis parallel to x-axis. Okay, that means first what we have to find? What we have to find? Parabola equation we have to form. Okay, that parabola, from that parabola equation, from the parabola equation, the differential equation you will get. Okay, that means the differential equation of parabola is given here. The differential equation of parabola. That means here parabola equation is the solution of the differential equation. Here parabola equation is the solution of the differential equation. So parabola means we have to form the equation. Actually, you know about the equation of parabola. What is the parabola? Like this, right? So it is a focus a comma 0, x-axis. Yes or no? It is y-axis. It is vertex O comma O. So it is axis line. Focus f on x-axis. Focus on x-axis. Focus on x-axis. So for this parabola, what is the axis line? X-axis. Then what is the equation of this parabola? The equation of this parabola is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. Equation of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. But here not given like that. Why? Because the parabolas whose lattice rectum is 4a. So here see 4a is the lattice rectum here also. Here also 4a is the lattice rectum. But here see axis parallel to x-axis. That means the axis line of the parabola is parallel to x-axis, not x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Okay, then how it will be? How it will be? The parabola will be like this. That means here, suppose I am taking one line like this. What about this one? This is parallel to x-axis or not? Parallel to x-axis. Okay, parallel to x-axis. So it is x-axis. I will take y-axis like this. That means here it is origin O comma O. This one is origin is shifted to some other place. Some other place means what is that one? H comma K. So the parabola will be here. It is x-axis. So this means also x-axis, but it's not x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis, not x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. So this line is parallel to x-axis, and this line is axis to this type of parabola. Axis to parabola. So focus is on this axis line only. Okay. So it is not x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis, that much only. So this line is parallel to x-axis and this is axis line of the parabola. Okay, so this origin is shifted to h comma k. Okay, then only you can recognize this parabola equation. So what is the parabola equation here? Here focus here it will be here. So that means 0 comma. Here actually if it is there, focus will be here. That will be shifted to here also. So what is the vertex? Vertex will be h comma k. And focus will be shifted to here h plus a comma k. H plus a comma k. Okay, whether it is focus required or not required actually, focus is not required here. See, and here see, this is about lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum. What is length of lattice rectum? It is 4a. Here also 4a. For this also length of lattice rectum 4a only. What is length of lattice rectum here? What is lattice rectum here? Lattice rectum means length of line segment. Length of line segment which is passing through focus. That is about lattice rectum. Okay, so this parabola lattice rectum 4a is given. Okay, and here what is the vertex here? H comma I am taking. Then what is the equation of this parabola? The equation of this parabola like this you have write. Here see, suppose it is the parabola not. This one now how I am writing here? Where is the vertex here? 0 comma 0 not. The equation generally you can write like this. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Here see vertex 0 comma sorry here also 0. Y minus 0 comma 0 x value y value, right? Yes. So y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into x minus 0. This one is representing y square is equal to 4x only. Here also if you write like that, then what is the equation of this one? So here in the place of 0 comma 0, what is there here? H comma k is there. H comma k is there. Why? Because vertex is shifted to h comma k. Yes or no? Then what is the equation of this parabola? In the place of 0 0, substitute h comma k. It is x y. Okay, that means 0 0. I can substitute here y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So actually this is our parabola. This is the equation of parabola having lattice rectum is 4a and the axis line is parallel to x axis. The axis line is parallel to x axis. Okay, yes. Here it is equation. Okay, he is asking order of differential equation of this parabola equation. He is asking about order of differential equation of this parabola equation. So it is a parabola equation. In this parabola equation, how many arbitrary constants are there? 2 arbitrary constants are there. What are they? Major arbitrary constants h comma k. So 2 arbitrary constants are there. So 2 arbitrary constants are there means, see what is the differential equation of this one? In the differential equation, what will be the order? That means to getting a differential equation, how many times we have to do differentiate with respect to x? That is depending upon number of arbitrary constants only. Depending upon number of arbitrary constants only. Here how many arbitrary constants are there? 2 arbitrary constants. 2 arbitrary constants. 2 constants. 2 constants. So 2 arbitrary constants are there means to forming a differential equation, how many times you will do the derivative? 2 times. Then in the after doing differentiation 2 times, you will get order 2 or not? Order 2. So that means what is the order of the differential equation of this parabola? 2. Yes or no? So option 4 is the correct option. Option 4 is the correct option. Understand? That means we already discussed it. That means what is that one? What we discussed? The number of constants. Number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation. Okay. Yesterday we solved one question also. Did you remember or not? Actually, in that question, look like 5 arbitrary constants are there. After simplification, you got 3 only. Yes or no? That means what is the order of the differential equation? 3 you got. Okay. So that means order of differential equation is equal to number of arbitrary constants present in the solution of the differential equation. Solution of the differential equation. Okay. And which type of solution that one? Arbitrary constants are there means general solution. General solution. Okay. Remember this one. This is about question number 3. So that means see to finding order of whatever the equation, whatever the function, compulsory that function must be a solution of the differential equation. And that function, which type of function it is? That means function in the sense of solution. Which type of solution it will be? The solution will be general solution. In that general solution, what will be present? Arbitrary constants are present. You have to observe that how many arbitrary constants are there. 2 arbitrary constants are there means order 2. 3 constants are there means order 3. 1 constant is there means order 2. Like that we have to find. Okay. Remember. So this is about question number 3. Okay. So it is the equation of parabola. This is about the equation of parabola. In this parabola, what are the arbitrary constants? H comma k. A is not a constant here. Here A is you cannot take a arbitrary constant here. Okay. Here H comma k are the major constants. Here A is not a constant here. Okay. Remember that one. So 1, 2. 2 constants are there. So the order of the differential equation is of this parabola equation is 2. Okay. Remember. So this is about question number 3. Okay. Next come to question number 4. Come to question number 4. In the question number 4, what is given? the degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation. Okay, he is asking degree. And you can recognize that order also. What is the order of the differential equation? Order means highest derivative. Highest derivative means what is the highest derivative here? 4 is there. So 4 is order. But he is not asking order. Degree is asking. Degree is asking. So degree means how to define? Degree means wherever you will get that order, there only you will get degree also not. The highest power of highest derivative. Power of highest derivative is the degree. But here what is there here? 3 by 5 is there. So but actually what we discussed today? What is degree? Degree is a positive integer. Degree is a positive integer. But here what is there? 3 by 5 fraction is there. Fraction is there. Fraction is there means you cannot take this fraction. Yes or no? You cannot take this fraction. That is why what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to simplify this fraction. We have to convert as a positive integer. To convert a positive integer, nothing I will do. This total term I will transfer to right side. Transfer to right side. So these value equal to this total term. And here 3 by 5 is there not. So I will do here C. That means d power 4 y by dx power 4 whole power 3 by 5 is equal to, here minus transfer this side, 5 into d cube y by dx cube minus 6 into d square y by dx square plus 8 into dy by dx minus 5. Yesterday we already solved like this one question. Okay, see here 3 by 5 is there. Okay, so here nothing is there. It is I am taking as 1 by 1, whole power 1 by 1. So now to remove these fractions or to convert it as positive integer, here we have to remove this denominator 5 or not? We have to remove the denominator 5. How could you remove the denominator 5? How could you remove means here denominator what is there? 5 is there. Here what is the denominator? 1 is there. So now take LCM. LCM of 1 comma 5. What is the LCM of 1 comma 5? 5 only. So now what we have to know? We have to multiply by 5 at powers. Power of this right side and left side and right side also. Multiply by 5. What will we get here? Here 5. Here also into 5. Okay. So 5 cancelled. Here 1 by 5. 1 by 1 means 1. 1 into 5 means 5 we will get. Whole power 5 we get. So here see 5 cancel. Whole power 3 is there not. So here what is the highest order? 4. Its power 3. So now what is the degree of this differential equation? Degree of the differential equation is 3 only. Yes or no? So 3 means option 2 is the right option. Option 2 is the right option. Like this yesterday we solved. Okay. Here see only one thing you have to do. In the differential equations, like this fractions are there means you cannot keep as fractions. Those you have to simplify. Simplification in the sense, so what we have to do? What are the remaining terms is there? Transfer to, according to this question, I transfer to this all terms to right side. And here what is there? 3 by 5 is there. After transform that one, here nothing is there. Means power 1 is there. Power 1 is 1 by 1. So now here what is the denominator? 1. Here what is the denominator? 5. Okay. We have to take the LCM of 1 comma 5. LCM of 1 comma 5. What is the LCM of 1 comma 5? 5 only. So now we have to multiply by 5 at powers. Here and here also. Multiply. So after multiplying 5 by cancel, 3 I got. So 5 by cancel, 3 I got means what is the meaning of that one? Positive integer or not? 3 is a positive integer. Yes. Here also 1 by 1 into 5 means whole power 5. But here what is degree? How can you define? The power of highest order. Power of highest order. Power of highest order means what will be there? 3 only. So 3 is the degree. Degree of the differential equation. Like that you have it. Suppose, I will explain one more question. Here only. Suppose here my plus is given minus of this total value. This total value is given 3 by 5, 4 by 5. 10 is given suppose. Not 4 by 10. 3 by 10 is given suppose. 3 by 10. So here also same procedure. This total term transfer that side. This total term transfer that side. After transferring this will be like this minus of. Here what will become? 3 by 10 will be get. Yes? Yes. 3 by 10. Here what is there? 3 by 5 is there. Now LCM of 5 comma 10 you already. What is LCM? LCM of 2 whom you have to find 5 comma 10 you already. So what is LCM 5 comma 10? 10 only. 10 only. Now you have to multiply by 10 at powers. Into 10. Into 10. So 5 is cancelled 2 times. 10 is cancelled, 10 is cancelled. Right? So then it will be converting as d power 4 y by dx power 4 whole power 3 will get. 3 here 5 2 times cancel means 3 to the 6 will get. The power what you get here? 6 you will get. 6 you will get or not? 6 you will get. Here what you get? 3 only you will get. Power 3. Now we have to find order and degree. Order, what is the order here? 4. Order is 4. Degree? Degree means here the variable power of highest derivative only. Power of highest derivative only degree or not? Yes. And here 3 2s are 6. 6 or not? 6. So order 4, degree will get 6. Understand? Like that you have to make. That means whatever the powers will be there, the powers must be. That means the powers you have to observe here. What power is given here? 3 by 5. Fractions are given. Compulsory these fractions you have to simplify. Simplification in the sense we have to take the LCM of denominators and you have to multiply by that LCM at powers. After simplification, whatever the values you get, those only you can treat as order and degree also. Okay, remember this one. This is about question number 4. Okay, so up to question number 4, what is given here? Orders are given. Only order and degree are given. So I hope so you understood about order and degree. So what are the questions will be there? You have to solve the remaining questions. Okay, now I am going to solve the next question, 5th question. Okay. Come to the next question. Here question number 5. What is the question number 5 is given here? Solution of the differential equation. What is the differential equation? Solution of the differential equation. He is asking solution. Here what is given here? 2 into f of x is equal to f dash of x. Okay, 2 into f of x is equal to f dash of x is given. And f of 0 is equal to 3 is given. F of 0 means f of x is equal to y or not? X value 0, y value 3. Then he is asking to find f of 2. He is asking to find f of 2. Okay, before going to solve this question, actually how could you find the solution of a differential equation? One differential equation will be like this. dy by dx plus x plus y equal to 0. Like that differential equation will be given. Or dy by dx is equal to xy square is given. Okay, like this will be given. Differential equations will be given like this. How could you solve? We already learned about solving of a differential equation. Which type of differential equation? First order, first degree differential equations. Did you remember? Solving of a differential equation. Which type of differential equation? Solving of first order, first degree differential equations we will learn or not? How many methods? How many methods we will learn? We discussed about the first method, variable separable method. Next, second one is the homogeneous method. Third one is linear. Like that, 3 methods we learned or not? We learned or not? Learned. Okay, so in that one we have to check that one which method it is. He is asking find the solution. Find the solution means you have to find the solution by helping of these 3 methods only. What is the first method? Variable separable. We have to check that one. Is it in the form of variable separable or not? Or else homogeneous or not? Or else linear. We have to check these 3 and we have to find the solution of the differential equation. Okay, but in this question, what is this? It is not linear form or not variable separable, not homogeneous also. How is given here? Given that what is given? 2 into f of x is equal to f dash of x. This much only is given. 2 into f of x is equal to f dash of x. Only f dash of x is given like this. F dash of x is equal to 2 into f of x is given. But here what is not given? F of x function is not given here. If function will be given, then you can understood that which form it will be. Either maybe variable separable or homogeneous or linear. Like that we can verify not. We can check. But function is not given here. How could you solve? How could you solve? We have to simplify this one. From that one only we have to solve. And here what is asking here? F of 0 is equal to 3 is given here. F of 0 equal to 3 is given. Then what is asking here? F of 2 value is asking. What value is asking? F of 2. Okay. Here is not asking solution also. He is not asking solution also. F of 2 value. Directly that means solution only. Which type of solution is asking? Here f of x is function not. F of x is function. Okay. He is asking f of 2. F of 2 x value 2. X value here substituting means particular solution is asking. Which type of solution is asking? Particular solution. Okay. Yes. How could you solve? I think is very easy. Remember here function is not given. That is why function is in the place of function what is given simply is given as f of x, f dash of x. F dash of x is derivative of f of x is given. Now what I am going to do? This will transfer to this side. Just transfer this one. What will be? F dash of x by f of x is equal to what is that one? 2 or not? Yes or no? Yes. We have to solve this equation. To To solve this one, what I'm going to do here? Integrating on both sides. Do it integration on both sides. Then what will be? Do it integration. Integral dx, integral dx. Okay. So this is I transfer this side and I am doing integration on both sides. Then what you got here? Integral f dash of x f of x dx. You know the formula of integral f dash of x by f of x, log mod f of x. Log mod f of x is equal to 2 constant, let it be. Integral dx means x plus c also. Plus c also. Understand? Yes. Log f of x is equal to 2 power 2x plus c. Clear? Now we have to find what we have to find here. F of 0 value is given 3. F of 0 is equal to 3 is given. That means here x equal to 0, y value 3. Okay. And what is asking? F of 2 is asking. We will find this. Here we are going to simplify this one. F of x is equal to log transfer this side e power 2x plus c n. E power 2x plus c n. Again I am going to simplify this. F of x is equal to e power 2x into e power c n. E power is one constant. I am taking that constant as like this. I am going to solve here. F of x is equal to e power 2x into e power c. I am writing as e power 2x and e power c. E power c value a into a constant. E power c constant a into e power 2x. F of x is equal to finally what you got here? A into e power 2x you got. This is our general solution. General solution. General solution of some differential equation. Okay? Yes. F of x equal to you got function. Function you got with general solution. Here what is it? Why you are saying it's general solution? A is there. A means arbitrary constant is there. So this is general solution. Take this one. Here see what is given here. At f of 0 equal to 3. Given that or given that f of 0 is equal to 3 means that is x value that is x equal to 0, y value 3. Okay, now substitute here. That means f of 0 equal to 3 means like this also can take directly. F of 0 equal to 3 means in the place of x substitute 0. That value what will be equal? 3 is given. Substitute like that also. Okay, f of 0 equal to 3 means given that f of 0 is equal to 3. Substitute now 0. F of 0 0. Right? F of 0 means what is that one? A into e power 2 into 0. Z equal to what is given? 3 is given. Okay. E power 2 into 0 is e power 0. E power 0 value 1. So a into 1 a. So a equal to 3. A value 3. A value 3 you got. So actually this is our general solution. Substitute here. Substitute a is equal to 3 in 1. Then what you get? The function or general solution is equal to f of x is equal to a means 3. 3 into e power 2x. Okay. So it is about it is general solution. Here x value y value is given. X value y value is given. So what you got here? Particular solution you got. Particular solution you got. But he is not asking this solution. What is asking? F of 2 value is asking. F of 2 value. Substitute f2 f x equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to f of 2 is equal to what is the problem? 3 into e power 2 into 4. 3 into e power 4. 3 into e power 4. Understand? So this question is little bit different than that differential equation. Why? Because here differential equation is not given directly. Function also is not given. So you have to take the given equation and from that given equation I observed that I transferred like this and I observed that if you done integration on both sides, so I observed that f dash of f of x form is there. Then I got here f of x. F of x means a function. Function means solution of some differential equation. Which type of solution I got here? General solution I got. After simplification I got like this. It is a general solution. Okay. So in that what is given here? What is given? F of 0 is equal to 3 is given. X value is given and y value is given. If you substitute them, then you will get particular solution. Whenever I got particular solution, he is asking one more value, f of 2 value. F of 2 means f of x, f of 2, x value 2. At x equal to 2, he is asking about f of 2. F of 2 means we have to substitute in the place of x equal to 2, you will get f of 2 value. Substitute these two in that given, in that what solution it is? Particular solution. I got 3 into e power 4. So this is our answer. F of 2 value, what is the 3 into e power 4. This is about option 2. Option 2. This question is little bit different. Okay, that is why you have to solve these type of questions very carefully. Okay, clear? I hope you understood this one. Come to the next question. Okay, come to the next question. Here only is there. What question it is? Question number 6. What is the question number 6? See, solve solution of differential equation, or simply you can say solve the differential equation. Okay, solution of differential equation. Is differential equation or not? Differential equation only. It is differential equation only. Okay, we have to solve that one. Solving means by which method you will solve? By which method you will solve? Maybe variable separable, homogeneous, linear. Check that one. Is it in the form of variable separable? Can you make the separate the variables here? Can you make the separate the variables? Separating the variables means what is that one? At dy, y terms you have to keep. At dx, x terms you have to keep. Is it possible to keep? Is it possible to separate x and y? Sin of x plus y is there. It is not possible to separate. X plus y. Tan of x plus y. It is also not possible to separate. Okay. And it is not in the form of linear also. Not it is in the form of homogeneous also. You already know about what is linear form and what is homogeneous. Not like that also. Then how it will be? Okay. So whenever you are not able to separate the variables, it is not in the form of homogeneous, not in the form of what is that linear, means how could you solve this one? Nothing is there. Actually, it is in the form of linear only. Sorry. It is not. It is in the form of what is that one? Variable separable only. How could you say it is variable separable? How could you say means whenever you are not able to separate the variables. Whenever you are not able to separate the variables, here what we have to do? We have to simplify the function. We have to simplify the function. Simplification means how could you do? Nothing is there. Here x plus y is there. X plus y is there. We are not able to separate this x and y or not. That is why what I am going to do, this x plus y, I am going to take as t. I am substituting x plus y equal to t. That means substitution method it is. By substituting only, I will be convert this equation. I will be convert this equation into variable separable, or maybe linear, or maybe homogeneous. We don't know which form we will get. First we have to simplify this. Simplify that one. So x plus y equal to t I am taken. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What will get? X derivative 1 plus y derivative dy by dx is equal to t derivative dt by dx. Clear? Yes. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 transfer this side. dt by dx minus 1. Clear? So in the place of dy by dx, what you can use substitute? dt by dx minus 1. And in the place of x plus y, what can you substitute? T you can substitute. Substitute in the given equation. What you will get? So dy by dx means what can you substitute? Then dt by dx minus 1 is equal to what will be this? Sin of x plus y means what I am taking here? T. Sin t. What will be this? Tan t minus 1. Minus 1. Clear? Yes. Here minus 1 is there. Here also minus 1 is there. Both are cancelled. Then what will be the here? dt by dx is equal to sin t into tan t. Sin t into tan t. I got like this. That means here see what is there? Sin t into tan t is there. Here only terms in t is there. There is no terms in x or not. So now can you separate this? Can you separate this one? Why? Because this t term or t term. You can keep it dt or not. Dx means you can transfer this means only dx only will get. That means it will be converting into variable separable. Converting into which method? Variable separable. Okay. Why? Because why we are saying variable separable here? It is easily to transfer this side to at dt. Dx means there is no x terms. Dx is alone. That is why it will be converting into which form? Which method? Variable separable. Okay. That means how could you solve? Here see. I am going to separate here see. dt by, here it is a multiplication, transfer this side divides, sin t into tan t is equal to dx. Clear? And one more step I am going to write here, dt I am going to write here, 1 by sin t means 1 by sin t cosecant t, tan t means cos t is equal to dx. It makes simplified. T terms are dt I wrote, dx I wrote. Now do it integration. Integration on both sides. Then what will be? Integral cosecant t cot t dt is equal to integral dx. Yes or no? Integral cosecant dt what means? Formula integral cosecant dt what minus cosecant dt. Okay, is equal to integral dx means x plus minus cosecant dt is equal to x plus. Clear? Yes. Minus cosecant dt. Cosecant t means what I have taken? X plus y is equal to x plus c. Okay, if you want to simplify this minus value, transfer that side, you will get simple. That means what will be x plus cosecant x plus y plus c equal to 0. This value can transfer to this side, right? So x plus cosecant of x plus c plus c. This is our solution. Which type of solution is asked to find the solution of the differential equation or solve the differential equation? Solving means what we have to find? First you will get a general solution. Okay, why you are saying it is general solution here? What is there? Arbitrary constant c is there not? So that is very general solution. Clear? So this is about question number 6. Okay, so understand carefully. See, objective means the direct questions will not give. Like this only will be give. We have to simplify and we have to find the solutions of the differential equation. Okay, next question. Come to question number 7. What is asking here? In this question number 7, y equal to 4 sin 3x is given. Function is given. Here see 4 sin 3x. Arbitrary constants we don't know. That means it is a one function. Remember. Okay. Is a solution of the differential equation. That means it is a solution of the one of the following differential equation. One of the following differential equation. Okay. So here see arbitrary constants are not there. If arbitrary constants are there, one arbitrary constant is there, maybe order of the differential equation will be one or not. Maybe this one or this one is the answer. That means maybe this one or this one is the differential equations. That means this given function is maybe solution of either first and second. First option, first differential equation, second differential equation. Or maybe, so suppose two arbitrary constants are there, maybe third equation or fourth equation of the what are the differential equations. That means it is the solution of the differential equations. But here arbitrary constants are not there. That means we don't know what is the order of the differential equation. So how could you verify now? Nothing is there. What is the y is equal to 4 sin 3x is given? Is a solution of the differential equation. So it is a solution of one of the differential equation. Which equation it is? Nothing is there. We have to simplify. We solved second exercise. Did you remember that? Second exercise questions. Second exercise means what is the function is given, differential is given, differential equation is given. Verify that the function is the solution of the differential equation or not. How could you verify that there? We find it according to that derivatives. Their differential equation, we have to find dy by dx and d square y by dx square, dq by dx cube. These values we have to substitute in the differential equation or not. If these derivatives are satisfies the differential equation, then the differential equation is our differential equation. Okay, so like that we have to verify. Here also what is there? First 2, 3, 4. 4 options are given. Here what is the dy by dx is there, dy by dx is there, d square by dx square, d square by dx square. But we don't know what is the differential equation. That is what I am going to find. First take the given function. Y is equal to 4 sin 3x is given. Correct? Yes. First differentiate with respect to x. What will get here? dy by dx is equal to 4 sin 3x derivative cos 3x. And 3x is 3 into 4, 12 cos 3x. And d square y by dx square also I am going to find. So cos 3x derivative minus sin 3x, 3x is 3 into 12, 36. Minus 36 sin 3x. Now take these values and substitute in first equation, second equation, first equation. If it satisfies first equation is that means first differential equation is a differential equation. Or if it is not getting this one, go to second, go to third, go to fourth. We have to verify. Take that one. dy by dx plus 8 into y equal to 0 we have to do. So take LHS. First one LHS. What is that one? dy by dx plus 8y is equal to, what is dy by dx you got here? 1 cos 3x plus 8 into y means this only. Substitute here 8 into 4 32 sin 3x So is not equal to 0 not. Actually this left side value equal to right side value. Right side value 0. Having get the right side value 0 is not possible. So first option is wrong. First option is a wrong option. Go to second option. What is second option? Second option take LHS. What is LHS here? dy by dx minus 8y is equal to dy by dx means same only 12 into cos 3x minus 8 into y. 8 into y means 8 into 4 32. 32 sin 3x. E's will be get cancelled. Are you getting equal to right side value 0? No. So it is also wrong. Second option also wrong. Go to third option. What is third option here? Take LHS. Third option LHS. What is LHS? d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to. What is d square y by dx square value? Minus 36 sin 3x. Okay. Plus 9 into y. 9 into y means 36 sin 3x. Sin 3x. So both are going to get cancelled. Is equal to 0 I got it. That means what is third option here? D square by dx square plus 9x. I am taking left hand side value. I got right side value 0. Yes or no? Therefore, what do you say? LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. You got means what do you say? Third option is our right option. That means it is a solution of this differential equation. Which type of solution? Particular solution. This is the given function is a particular solution of the given differential equation 3. Okay. So like this manner we have to verify. Okay. Verification of that functions are solutions of the given differential equations or not. Like this manner we have to verify. So we already solved like these questions. That exercise 2. Second exercise from our textbook we already solved. Verification we have to. That means we have to verify that is that the given function is a solution of the differential equations or not. What we have to do according to that questions, we have to find dy by dx, d square by dx square, and y also will be given. So we have to substitute. Take left hand side, take substitute here. If you get RHS value, then these all derivative values are satisfies this equation. So solution. Are understanding or not? Like this manner we have to solve the questions. Okay. Yes. So these are some questions for today. Tomorrow we will solve some more questions. Okay. Thank you.